Right. Let's see N mode on for the last bit of the journey.
Like that?
Yeah, twice. To custom. Good. Lovely. Let's give it a blast. More. Hands. Good. Faster. Get it to 60. Pedal to the metal. More.
Oh, I hate
Press it. Press it.
I really
Press
hate
it.
going fast.
Press it. Press it. Straight to 60. I want to see 60 a bit. That's better. Good. Good. What gear now? Yeah, good. Lovely. Good. Keep it going. So let's see a good shift down for these bends. What gear now? Yeah, good. Lovely. Excellent. Let's drop again for this bend. Lovely. Good. Off your brake early. Right, so we're going to give it a blast when we come around there. You done enough braking. Is it safe to speed up? Let's squeeze harder. Harder. More. Good. What gear now?
6.
Good.
Oh, this is...
Go to 4th. Bit of a jump that to 6. It's alright.
What was I
Clutch up.
in?
You're in 3rd. Yeah. You could have gone to 6.
It's easy
You got
to sit.
You got a bit stuck, but
Yeah.
yeah. I would have gone 4
4 and then 6.
4 to 6, 3 to 5, something like that. Just one skip. Yeah. What you do speed here? What could the lights be on?
Red.
Good. So you see, then you got that stop a little bit like.
Yeah. It's harder to brake with this on.
No, because you're messing with your gears. Remember we said that on another time.
Yeah.
Go on, go. And clutch up.
Wow.
It's alright. Good that. Just bring that clutch up.
So
and you'd go. Right, press, squeeze. More. Good. Right, squeeze it again. You're at 40 anyway now. You could squeeze a little bit more then. You'd take off a little bit faster.
I don't like fast cars. I really don't. I always tell Dad off. I really find no greatness in it.
I'm trying to bring that into you. One day you'll be like, oh, I need that N mode. I need to hear that growl and the pot.
Everyone loves it and I'm like, oh.
So which way are you going here? Right, fair exit. So, right, the way to do it, let's get your signal on. Position, brake, clutch, wait. Right, into 2nd. Keep your clutch down. You happy? Let's go.
Yeah.
Good. See the difference then?
Yeah.
There's no faff with the gears or anything like that.
No, like really slow.
Good. So get that speed right, and then the gear change again will be fine. So we go all the way around. Yeah.